Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to adjust virtual network settings in VMware Workstation Pro. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To adjust virtual network settings in VMware Workstation Pro using the Virtual Network Editor, here's a detailed guide covering host-only, NAT, and bridged networks. Accessing the Virtual Network Editor, open VMware Workstation Pro. Navigate to Edit, then Virtual Network Editor. In the Virtual Network Editor, you can manage and configure various network types, including host-only, NAT, and bridged networks. Host-only network purpose creates a private network between the host and virtual machines, VMs. VMs can communicate with each other and the host but not with external networks. Use case: ideal for isolated testing environments, where external network access is unnecessary. Setup: in the Virtual Network Editor, click on Change Settings if needed, then select or create a host-only network, for example, VMNet1. Configure the network settings, such as IP range, and enabling the DHCP server if needed. Assign this network to your VM by going to the VM settings, then Network Adapter and selecting Host-only. NAT, Network Address Translation, network purpose allows VMs to access external networks, like the Internet, using the host's IP address. VMs in the same NAT network can communicate with each other. Use case: suitable for isolated environments, where VMs need Internet access, but shouldn't be directly exposed to the host network. Setup: in the Virtual Network Editor, click on Change Settings if needed, then select or create a NAT network, for example, VMNet8. Configure NAT settings, such as gateway IP, port forwarding, and enabling the DHCP server. Assign this network to your VM by going to the VM settings, then Network Adapter and selecting NAT. Bridged network purpose connects VMs directly to the host's physical network adapter, making the VM appear as a separate device on the same network. Use case: ideal for scenarios where VMs need to interact with other devices on the same physical network. Setup: in the Virtual Network Editor, click on Change Settings if needed, then ensure VMNet0 is set to bridged mode. Configure VMNet0 to bridge to a specific physical network adapter, or allow auto-bridging. Assign this network to your VM by going to the VM settings, then Network Adapter and selecting Bridged. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.